Magandang hapon po na September 9, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng September 9, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 9, 2024 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, September 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 9, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.